To order these fractions by least to greatest, you are going to look at the three fractions and see if there is an obvious large fraction or an obvious smallest fractions. 1/2, 2/5, or 1/10. 1/10 is obviously the smallest fraction. Only selecting one bookmark out of all 10 is the least you could choose. Now you need to decide which fraction is the greatest, 1/2 or 2/5. You can solve this by cross-multiplying these fractions. 1/2 and 2/5. We're going to cross-multiply, which means we're going to multiply across the diagonal here. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we go across the other diagonal and multiply 5 times 1. Which equals 5. Now the rule of fractions is whatever you do to the numerator, you have to do to the denominator. So we multiplied 1 times 5. So we also multiply the denominator of this fraction by 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. And so then this gives us a new fraction. 5/10 is the same as 1/2. Over here, we multiply the numerator by 2, so we also multiply the denominator by 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. So now you see 2/5 also equals 4/10. This also tells you a common denominator of 10. Now you have two new fractions, 5/10 and 4/10, and you can order them from least to greatest. So we know that the least was 1/10, and the next, 4/10 is smaller than 5/10, so we know our next least greatest fraction is 2/5. Finally, our greatest fraction is 1/2.